Here we go. Just with the CVA Wolf. Just doing a little figuring out how it's shooting. Got iron sights on it. Well, plastic sights, but anyway, these are the power belts I'm shooting out of it, the ELR series. The bullet is smaller than the picture. Not by much, though. Well, yeah, I guess so. Anyway, it's still a big bullet. It's a 325 grain. I'm going to be using a 100 grain charge instead of a 150. That's a Magnum, but I'm only shooting 50, 75 yards. So there's no point on wasting powder. At 100 grains, we'll still get it done at 50 yards. 75, 100 grains, we'll still get it done at 100 yards. So yeah, that's what we're fixing to do real quick. Just a quick see how it shoots, and that's about it. Like I said, these are definitely some big damn bullets. That's a beast. What's cool about these with the power belts is you don't need the wad, because whenever you shoot, this plastic expands with the pressure going through. So and then it also helps with you get less fouling, plastic fouling, stuff like that in your barrel when you're using the sabots with the little wad and everything on there. These will keep your gun a little bit cleaner. You can get more shots out of them without running into issues. But I still, about every three-four shots, I'll still run some wipes down the barrel, just to get some of that out of there. But that's it. So let's see how it does. Enough talking. Here we go. It's about 50 yards. Like I said, I'm just seeing how it shoots, getting ready for next weekend. There we go. Not too shabby. Like I said, not too shabby at all.